Good evening, folks. As you can see, at the moment I am fighting the last battles to get things completely ready in here. What I have done since the last video, I think I moved this machine after the last video I took, so all of these big machines are now in their final places. This one I will have to move, and I did a quick repair to my MIG welder. It had an electric problem with the wire feeder. There was a stock relay, but it works now. And I bought some 40x40x3 steel square tube Ruukki made in Finland, and I made the fuselage for the table, and today I attached the surface plate to it, and I already have quite a bit of junk on it. I put a small steel plate on it that I had laying around, and I put my very old vise on it. This is a nice table, I like it. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna move it to its final place where I want it, and I will bolt it to the floor. As you can see, I have 2 bolt holes in every foot, so I can bolt this to the floor, the concrete floor, so it should be really sturdy. And what else? Not much. Oh, I have this shelf on. It's just an ordinary clothes wardrobe, but I strengthened it a little bit, and I bolted it to the walls and also to the floor. And I had to make a little modification to make it fit in the corner, since there is a supporting rock at the corner. And what else? The electrics, of course, are ready. I think they were ready in the last video already. And the upstairs is also complete now. So, not really a lot has happened since the last video. And also, I brought my wheel grinder in, and it also had a little electric problem after sitting so long, but it's now working great. And as you can see, it is twin turbocharged. There should be a pipe from here to here, so it sucks all of the sparks and blows them here, where I should have dust bags. I will do that also soon. This is a nice grinder. It is made by Koneteollisuus in Finland. I think maybe in the 70s or the 80s. And the stone diameter is 200 by 25 by 19 millimeters. I only have 1 stone in it at the moment. I need to buy another stone for it. And also I need new stones for my surface grinder and my universal grinder too. I don't know a lot about grinding wheels so far, but I will have to find out. Oh, and also I did a simple crude fixture for holding my plasma cutter in the wall. It's pretty handy, so it doesn't take any floor or table space. And this place for the working table is a compromise. because I'm gonna do grinding work here and the sparks will fly right there to my grinding machine. So I think I must build some kind of a wall right here so the sparks will stop before the machine. And that prevents me from putting long workpieces like pipes in the vise, so I can only have from here to about here. Not that it's possible to work a lot longer pieces right now, but it gets still a little shorter. I just don't want any sparks to get into my machines. Oh, we have the Finnish national anthem on the radio. I am listening to the Sochi Olympics. I think that's the gold medal from men pair skiing. So, just a quick update again. Also, I brought in some more stuff today. I've got a coolant tank. It came with the universal grinding machine, but I still have to figure out with what machine I'm gonna use it with. This mill already has coolant system, which works great, but neither of these have. But again, the axle grinder does have a coolant pump. So this one will either go to either of these grinding machines or to the lathe. The lathe also has a coolant pump system, but the pump motor is broken. I think I will just need to locate a new motor for it. Oh, and also I have some parts for another coolant pump. I think with these parts I can build a working coolant pump. So basically I could say things are very close to ready here now. I'm just gonna move all of this in place. I will move the wheel grinder a little bit further back, and then I'm gonna attach the table to the floor. And I am thinking of filling this hole which was left here after the casting with what we call dry concrete. It's a concrete that has the cement and sand in it, so it only needs water. One bag of that will be enough for that, so I don't have a hole like that in my floor. Okay, I think I'm not gonna keep you any further. I'll keep you posted as I progress with things. Thank you for watching and have a nice evening.